In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Slides glitch. If your presentation is acting strange, maybe slides aren't updating, images aren't loading, or the editor feels frozen, don't worry. I'll walk you through a quick, reliable workflow to get things back on track without losing your work. Start by going to Google Slides in your web browser. Open the site like you normally would. If you're not already signed in, make sure you're logged into the account where your presentation lives. Once you're in, the homepage will show a row of your files, and you'll usually see your latest work right under the recent section. This saves you time and helps you jump straight back into the project you were working on when the glitch popped up. Click on your recent presentation to open it. Give it a moment to fully load, especially if it's a large deck with images, charts, or embedded media. Take a quick look at the top of the screen for the save status. If it says saving, let it finish. You want to avoid refreshing while changes are still syncing. When you see all changes saved in Drive, you know it's safe to proceed. If the glitch is still there, the simplest fix is to reload the page. Use the refresh button in your browser, or press Ctrl+R on Windows, or Command+R on a Mac. A reload clears temporary hiccups and forces the editor to reinitialize without closing your file. When the deck comes back, check whether text boxes respond, slides render correctly, and animations preview as expected. Most minor glitches resolve with this quick refresh. If reloading doesn't work, the next move is to restart your browser. Close all browser windows completely, then open the browser again and return to Google Slides. Reopen your recent presentation from the homepage. Restarting frees up memory, resets extensions in the background, and gives Google Slides a clean slate to run smoothly. If you had multiple tabs open, you can restore them afterward, but focus on getting Slides open first to confirm the issue is gone. A few practical tips as you do this: keep an eye on the save indicator so you don't refresh mid-edit. Give each step a few seconds to settle before trying the next, and try to keep a stable internet connection while the file reloads. With these simple actions, opening your recent file, reloading the page, and if needed, restarting your browser, you can quickly fix most Google Slides glitches and get back to presenting with confidence.